Whoa, that was super fast again, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. I know. But so, you have 7 more brilliant portrait photography tricks to use for home. That is good, isn't it? It is super nice, sehr nice. What trick did you like the best? Write it in the comments below. If you liked the video, give the video, please, a thumbs up. Share the video with all your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now, I just want to say, see you in the next video and in German again. Ich wünsche dir noch einen schönen Tag, einen schönen Abend, einen schönen Abend, was auch immer. Wir sehen uns im nächsten Video. Mach's gut, mach's besser. Ciao, ciao.